Hi friends, how are you? I think all of you are fine. After many video, I come in front of you to tell that guys, I create this channel only for you. If you are teach something through the channel, I will be very happy. Many boys and girls or peoples have no drawing teacher. Some people live in some rural area, there have no drawing teacher or some people can't afford it. Don't worry guys, if you are watching my channel's video carefully, you will be able to draw well. Guys, today I am going to draw a scenery of sunrise by oil pastel color. If you are beginner, you will learn well. Let's start. Guys, I draw a pencil line in middle of the paper. Now I use orange color. Then guys, I use yellow color. Apply the yellow color smoothly and very well. Guys, now apply orange color. Guys, now apply red color. Now rub by finger or paper. Other half of the paper fulfill by color. Now draw the sun using white or yellow color. Use 10B pencil to draw boat. Use black color to draw leaf. Now use black color. So friends, finally our drawing is complete. Let's comment how look like it. Thank you and subscribe the channel.